Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to create a ChatGPT account. So this is my first video on artificial intelligence. So the first thing what we have to do is we need to create a ChatGPT account. So to create ChatGPT account you need to just go to google.com, and type open AI chat GPT login. Okay, OpenAI chat GPT login. Hit enter. So once you hit enter, you see this the first link which says chat.openai.com. So just click on that link. So once you click on that link, you will see this on the screen. Okay, so you have two options. It says welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. Since we don't have account, we need to sign up first. So click on sign up. So before you click on sign up, please make sure you have an email account. Okay, so I already have an email account. I'm going to use that email address. So click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it is asking to give the email address. Okay, so I have created one test email address. So I'm going to type the email address here. Okay, so in my case it is mike.danny350@gmail.com. So I'm going to click on continue. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it is asking me to create a password. Okay, I have entered a password here and I'm going to click continue. I think it is registering my account, so it is going to take a minute. Okay, it says something like, if you see here, platform.openai.com, onboarding, it means it's creating an account. So let me refresh once and see how it goes. Okay, it says verify your email. We sent an email to your email address mike.danny350@gmail.com. Click the link inside to get started. So I have already opened my Gmail account here. So just click on that email and it says verify email address. Click on verify email address. So once you verify your email address, it is asking to give first name, last name and your birthday details. So I'm going to type Mike, last name Danny. Let me type birthday as 12 1990. Okay, so I'm going to click continue. Okay, it is asking to give the phone number. So it says if you have WhatsApp, you can give WhatsApp number. So I'm going to give my phone number here. So once you give your WhatsApp number here, you need to click on yes or no. It says, do you have WhatsApp? So click on yes. So it is going to send a code to your WhatsApp number. So you need to verify your phone number. Open your WhatsApp on your phone and you will get an email saying that verify. You will get it from OpenAI. So what you need to do is you will see a 6-digit code on your WhatsApp. Okay, so enter that 6-digit code. Okay, I'm going to enter the 6-digit code. Okay, it says could not verify code. Okay, I think let me try once again. Let me ask to resend the code. Okay, let me type the code once again. Yes, yes, it is done now. So if you have any challenges with the code, try to send a new code. Once you send the new code, you will get a new code on your WhatsApp application. Use that code to log into the ChatGPT account. So this is the initial configuration of ChatGPT account. So if you see now, it says ChatGPT. This is a free research preview. Our goal is to get external feedback in order to improve our systems and make them safe. While we have safeguards in place, the system may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information and produce offensive or biased content. It is not intended to give advice. So when you use ChatGPT application, it tries its level best to give the accurate information, but any point in time it may also give inaccurate information. So it is just giving those disclaimer details. So how we collect data? Conversations may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our systems. Please don't share any sensitive information in your conversation. So please don't share any sensitive information. The system is optimized for dialogue. Let us know if a particular response was good or helpful or unhelpful. So while you are using ChatGPT, you have this, you get this thumbs up button and this option as well. So you can always use them to give the feedback. Done. All right. So we logged into the ChatGPT account. We have successfully created ChatGPT account. So this is how it looks like. So if you see here, send a message. So we are going to do everything. We are going to give all the inputs from here. Okay. So this is going to be, a video for tomorrow or the day after. So for now, we have successfully created the account. So you may also create an account, and from tomorrow, I'm going to show how to use ChatGPT to get different details. Okay. I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.